कैसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो यार? मुझे कैसे मालूम हो किसके साथ रह रहे हैं? मुझे तो पता है वो उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रहे हैं।
Deepika, how excited are you for
Yeah,
morning?
I'm running between the Happy New Year promotions. In fact, my team is still there, and I said I'm quickly going to do this and come back. But nonetheless, I'm here to speak to you all, and you all are here, so that's the most important thing for me.
मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल आज शुरू हो गया है, बहुत मुश्किलों से शुरू हुआ है, क्या कहेंगे?
I think first of all I want to congratulate the entire team for managing to put this all together, and I think it's a great thing for Indian cinema. हम हमेशा we talk about all the other international film festivals, and I hope that over the years we already are getting there, and I hope that over the years the Mumbai International Film Festival also becomes as big and as popular. That's what we're all working towards. I think Indian cinema is extremely popular globally, world over, and it'll be very interesting to have some of the other films from other languages, world cinema, international cinema, come down here, showcase their films. It's almost like a culture exchange of various different cultures.
Deepika, which movie are you looking to watch in the whole festival? Which movie is exciting to watch in the whole festival?
I haven't gone through the list. I'm not really aware of what the films, the ones that they're showcasing. But since Catherine Deneuve is here, I'd love to watch one of her films. I think that's the one that's going on tonight.
Helen ji has also got Lifetime Achievement Award.
Happy New Year. That's the only thing on all our minds right now. I think we're all busy promoting the film. Like I said, the reason I've just come is because all the media's over there and I've come here, and now you guys are here. I think for us this Diwali is going to be Happy New Year. वैसे भी बहुत सारे लोग Happy New Year ही मनाते हैं दिवाली के दिन, तो इस बार हम भी मनाएंगे Happy New Year दिवाली के दिन।
परिवार का गाना करेंगे इस बार?
हर साल तो मैं उनको मिस करती हूँ, बिकॉज जैसे आप जानते हैं मैं यहाँ अकेली रहती हूँ, वो बेंगलोर में रहते हैं, एंड दिवाली हमारे लिए मेन फेस्टिवल है एज अ फैमिली। पर मैं कोशिश करूँगी इवन इफ इट्स हाफ अ डे, एक दिन के लिए शायद मैं जाके वापस आऊँगी। मोस्ट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आर प्लानिंग टू, ऑब्वियसली हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जो है, देयर बी डिफरेंट प्लेसेस वेयर वील गो, but we'll definitely try.
Deepika, you have a master class tomorrow with Miss Catherine. So how excited are you for that?
I'm very excited. We all know she's a legend, and I'm also very, very nervous because other than the fact that, I mean, there's two things to it. One is I've never done a master class before. I'm doing this only for Anu, and the fact that it's with Miss Deneuve. I think I'm going to keep quiet. I think it'll be a master class for me only. I think I'll get to learn a lot from her by just listening to her.
Okay, Deepika, do you think that glamour, some way or the other, is uplifting sports these days?
I think I'm just looking at the end result, the fact that sports is being uplifted in whatever form, whether it's glamorous or otherwise. And मैं हमेशा अपील करती हूँ even to the media. It's very important for all of us also to identify champions at a very, very young age, to know of their achievements and then to be able to report that or write about it so that we make people aware. I think Mary Kom is a classic case. I knew of Mary Kom 4-5 years ago, but I think a lot of us know of her today only because of the film that has been made. So I think it's very important that we write about stars, and through these champions, I think then the sport goes on to become popular. For example, badminton became popular after my father became a champion. So I think it's very important that we recognize talent at a very young age, the athletes and their achievements, write about it, encourage them, and through that, make a sport popular.
So are we sort of later going to see you owning a sports team?
For me, my contribution to sports is by being part of the Olympic Gold Quest. Recently, we have Saif on board as well, and he's also agreed to come on board and support the organization. From a business point of view, if you're asking me if I'm going to own a team, no, because I don't understand business and I don't get that part of it. As someone to promote and bring awareness to sports and create that kind of excitement, I'm more than happy to do that. आप irritate क्यों होते हैं जब वो सवाल पूछ रही हैं? पूछने दो, मैं यहाँ हूँ ना आपके लिए।
Deepika, all late. Deepika.
आपके बेहद करीबी दोस्त रणबीर कपूर जो एक नए घर में शिफ्ट हुए, एक नई जोड़ी के साथ, तो आप उन्हें कुछ बधाइयाँ देना चाहेंगे, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
ये आप कैसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो यार? मुझे कैसे मालूम हो किसके साथ रह रहे हैं? मुझे तो पता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रहे हैं। ये इस सवाल का जवाब मैं नहीं।
वोट करने जा रही है, कहाँ जा रही है? कितने बजे जाएंगे?
आई हैव टू चेक। मेरे 2 घर हैं, एक यहाँ है, एक वहाँ है, तो मैं चेक करूँगी।
दीपिका ऑफ लेट
Variniti has just now tweeted that she's proud about all the actresses who've taken a stand against the controversies of lately. The actresses who've faced controversies. So what do you have to say about that?
I think as far as that is concerned, I've said what I've had to say, and we should all move on with our lives.
दीपिका ऑफ लेट स्टार ड्रिवन
वो एक मैडम
I haven't seen him. I don't know what that looks like. I think they've started shooting a few days ago. But I only joined them next year. I only joined them in the beginning of next year. So until then, I won't know.
दीपिका ऑफ लेट स्टार ड्रिवन फिल्म्स स्टोरी ड्रिवन फिल्म्स को दबा देते हैं, आपका क्या मानना है?
I don't agree with you. I think content is king, and at the end of the day, whether it's a star or whether it's say newcomers, I think what really survives the test of time and box office and everything else is a good script and a story that's told well. Most importantly.
Diwali is around the corner.
लास्ट में अब्राहम का गेस्ट अपीयरेंस है या कैमियो है अब्राहम का, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, इज इट ट्रू?
इसके बारे में शाहरुख ही बात करेंगे। मुझे कुछ पता नहीं, मेरे साथ तो नहीं। ही इज नॉट माई को स्टार इन द मूवी, बट इसके बारे में शाहरुख बात करेंगे। All the viewers, wishing all of you a very, very, very happy Diwali.